Hello, I'm Ramon Antonio. Let me present the work. Array DBMSs operate on big ND arrays. For example, geospatial grids, astronomical observations, and biomedical data. Geospatial array management constitutes a large portion of array DBMS workloads. For example, Sentinels is a family of European satellite missions. About 203 terabytes of Sentinel products are disseminated daily. Web browsers are becoming increasingly popular platforms for client applications, WebGISs, Geographic Information Systems. Modern WebGISs run all array processing on the server side. They use geospatial protocols to send queries and retrieve images for display, for example, PNG files. This increases response times, degrading the user experience, especially for tunable queries. We showcase WebArrayDB, the first geospatial array DBMS that can run completely inside a web browser. ArrayGIS is our new WebGIS based on WebArrayDB. A web-based ArrayDBMS should reduce server load, enable offline work, decrease network I/O, and improve user experience. Modern web browsers are sufficiently mature to run a powerful ArrayDBMS. WebArrayDB ingests raw data, currently GeoTIFFs, via a popular web protocol. The storage engine relies on a JavaScript API for storing significant amounts of structured data in a web browser. WebArrayDB uses a SQL-like query syntax. To parse queries, we use a purely JavaScript library for symbolic computations. ArrayGIS can be over 2 times faster compared to querying only Sentinel Hub. After logging in, you see the layered library and interactive map that respects cartographic projections. Let's turn on the Sentinel-2 T-flare that we added beforehand. WebArrayDB can ingest raw data from a WMTS service. We now see the band number 1 visualized on the map. Toolbox Gallery can view and hide respective toolboxes. For example, RGB tool can set and tune color palettes. Please notice that when I tune colors, the layer is re-rendered instantaneously. This is because ArrayGIS and WebArrayDB operate on raw source data. So right now, they do not perform any client-server communication. Value on the cursor is also an important tool for improved user experience. Just tick the Pixel Data checkbox to display source cell values on mouse click events. You can display array cell values in a split second. Map Algebra toolbox lets users quickly apply map algebra on the fly to the selected layer. Let's compute a vegetation index. Just hit this button and notice that the computation happens lightning fast because the source array tiles you see on the map have already been stored locally in WebArrayDB. Query tool accepts SQL-like queries. Please check the paper for more details. ArrayGIS is freely available at WebDB.GG. Please check the paper to go through interactive lessons related to real-world tasks on multispectral satellite imagery. Thank you for your attention.